Designing and managing integrated marketing communications.
Designing and managing integrated marketing communications IMC is about ensuring all your marketing messages work together to create a unified and consistent brand experience. It's more than just using multiple channels, it's about strategic coordination.
What is integrated marketing communications IMC?
IMC is a strategic process that aims to ensure all forms of communications and messages are carefully linked together. It's about creating a single, unified message and image for your brand, regardless of the channel used. It emphasizes a customer-centric approach, focusing on how and when the customer wants to receive information.
Why is IMC important?
Builds brand consistency. A unified message strengthens brand recognition and trust. Enhances customer engagement. Consistent messaging across channels reinforces key messages and increases engagement, maximizes marketing ROI. Coordinated efforts prevent duplication and waste, leading to more efficient spending. Creates a seamless customer experience. Customers receive a consistent experience regardless of how they interact with the brand.
Key elements of IMC.
Consistent messaging. All marketing communications should reinforce the same core message and brand values. Unified visual identity. Consistent use of logos, colors, and design elements across all platforms. Audience targeting. Tailoring messages to specific customer segments. Channel integration. Coordinating the use of various communication channels. Data-driven insights. Using data to track performance and optimize campaigns.
Common IMC tools.
Advertising. Paid communication through various media. Public relations PR. Building relationships with the media and other stakeholders. Sales promotion. Short-term incentives to encourage sales. Direct marketing. Direct communication with individual customers. Personal selling. Face-to-face interactions with customers. Digital marketing. Online marketing through websites, social media, and email. Content marketing. Creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience.
Steps 2. Designing and managing IMC.
1. Identify your target audience. Understand their needs, preferences, and media consumption habits. 2. Set clear communication objectives. Define what you want to achieve with your communications. 3. Develop a consistent brand message. Craft a clear and compelling message that resonates with your target audience. 4. Select the appropriate communication channels. Choose the channels that are most effective for reaching your target audience. 5. Integrate your communication tools. Ensure that all communication tools work together to reinforce your brand message. 6. Implement and monitor your IMC plan. Track key metrics to measure the effectiveness of your campaigns and make adjustments as needed. 7. Evaluate and adjust. Continuously evaluate the effectiveness of the IMC plan and adjust as needed. By implementing a well-designed IMC strategy, businesses can create a powerful and cohesive brand experience that drives customer engagement and loyalty.